Welcome back. In our Rebound Colorado series, we're taking a closer look tonight at a disorder that so many people deal with every day, obsessive-compulsive disorder, otherwise known as OCD. News 5's Renee Skinner visited with the OCD Treatment Center in Colorado Springs to look at some treatment options and how this pandemic has affected patients there.
I was very much surprised that the clients that I see who have contamination OCD felt somewhat safer.
But for so many with obsessive compulsive disorder, or OCD, it's not just about washing your hands or being clean. There are so many other types.
Scrupulosity, which is the religious obsession and compulsion one. There's symmetry, so making things even, balanced.
And here at the Colorado Springs OCD Treatment Center, Kayla Engel treats them all.
Obsessions are going to be intrusive thoughts or images that come into someone's mind. They're going to be repetitive and cause anxiety, discomfort.
Engel uses a type of cognitive behavioral therapy called exposure and response prevention. It involves exposing the patient to the thoughts, images, or objects that make them anxious.
These are pens.
Like needles.
Writing pens. Yeah, that's been a big one.
Engel has a whole basket of tools to help.
You even have a Ouija board, I see.
Yeah, it's a placemat.
Then the response prevention comes into play, making the choice to not do a compulsive behavior once you've been triggered. Then, the more exposure, the less the anxiety.
The next time you do that exposure, it's not going to be as hard.
But what has been hard? Getting used to a new normal and then readjusting to the normal that once was.
So it was just a much cleaner world.
And throughout the pandemic, Engel has seen an increase in patients. And with communities slowly opening back up, she advises those with anxiety to find a therapist and start the journey towards healing. Always watching out for you, Southern Colorado. Renee Skinner, News 5.